I'm Shirley. Welcome to JBD Home Factory. Today, let's explore our showroom and our full range of high-performance door windows and our one-stop custom home building materials. The entrance door is the foundation of home security. With zero compromise on design, it balances prestige with an impenetrable barrier. Inside of a home, our wooden door connection creates a warm environment. From free pan wood to sleek lacquer, every door is crafted for quietness and privacy. Our railing satins blends artistic design with structural safety, ensuring every step you take is steady and insured. We offer one-stop full home customization. Wardrobe, kitchen cabinet, and wall panels share a unified style for a cozy home. Safety first. We rigorously test and dual certified by UL and CE. Our fire rate doors save critical time when it matters most. We elevate bathroom too.
Explosion-proof shower glass paired with premium tiles transforms daily utility into safe luxury.
Finally, we step to outside. Our storerooms, intelligent glass, and durable WPC decking create the perfect outdoor retreat to enjoy life. Partner with JBD Home, bring premium lifestyle worldwide. JBD Home, your trusted partner.